So, the World Cup is on hit, and I had this idea. What if I took 3 random sketches of football players and turned them into actual 3D models? Same workflow, 3 totally different characters, a cyber-style Swedish player, a Norwegian robot in full kit, and a French girl.
Hey, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your favorite host, James. Today, we're going to dive in a sensational AI tool that is
Tripo Studio. Today, I'm using Tripo Studio to run all 3 images into proper 3D assets. And let's see how it goes. So here's the thing about making 3D characters. It's a lot of work. You spend hours just trying to get the poly right. And if you are doing multiple characters, AI tools promise to speed this up. So I wanted to test Tripo with a real-world scenario, 3 different football characters, 3 different styles. Alright, so what is Tripo Studio? Tripo Studio is an AI 3D tool that gives you 2 main generation modes. You got this Smart Mesh for fast, clean, usable models, and HD model for high detail thematic work. The speed on Smart Mesh is generally impressive, but right now let's try high detail model first. Let's click here, create HD model. And this is where the magic happens. So you got some nice functionalities here. So initially, you have HD model selected, and you can switch to Smart Mesh easily. This is for fast work, and this is for quality work. This only occupies like seconds, and this gives you 8K textures. And also you can find the parameters that's quite different. And we are going to create a high quality model with up to 8K textures here. So before we started, I already generated 3 2D images. I am a big World Cup fan. So they are generated by me from 3 different teams. Which one do you support? So first, let's try out this robot. And to tell you the truth, I don't have confidence on it because, there's too many details, right? And I especially worry about the machinery stuff. Those details can be very hard for AI 3D generators. So let's try it out. So first, just click here, upload, and find your image. Alright, and remember, this is not the only way to generate 3D models on Tripo. When you're hovering this, you have a multiple view image to 3D, which means you can upload up to 4 images, like different angles, like front, like left, and like the right, like the back. And maybe you can use this one, batch images to 3D. And if you don't have any images, you can simply generate 3D models by text. But we are going to generate our robots. And for the geometry, let's choose 8K. Yeah, 8K is selected. And I use ultra mesh quality. Everything I put on maximum values. And for the polygon, also I use maximum. This is crazy. Because the polygon is 2 million. What can AI even do that? I cannot do that in my Blender. And for the AI model, this is a key because Tripo supports 3 different AI models. V2.5, V3.0, and 3.1. I use the latest. And let's click here, create model. And there are some nice instructions here. So you want to rotate the wheel, you just simply use your cursor, press and drag. And if you want to pan the wheel or zoom in or zoom out, you can use your mouse to do that. And if you are on your mobile devices, for example, like your iPad, you can use the second options. Yeah, on the second thought, you can use Tripo actually on your tablet. What? Let's zoom in. Oh, sweet. Let's press shift and move it. OMG, check out this guy. Oh, and even the back. Remember, we don't have the back side, so AI just take a wild guess. Oh, that's so cool. I can use it on my website, right? And actually, you got the parameters that you can tweak. For example, like the solid wheel. This is even cleaner, right? And you got unit wheel, and this is quite cool. This is marvelous. I just saying this is unbelievable, right? Are you saying what I'm saying? Yeah, you got a normal look, and you even got the cartoon style look. Oh, this will change this everything, And this is sketch, and you even got a hologram. And actually, if you want to tweak it, you can even click this view settings. You got flat and smooth, and you can tweak about the PBR. I never thought it could be so good. And if you don't like it, you can click here, free retry. This is a robust design for all Norway fans. And if you got a Norway team friend, you can click here, print and delivery. You can simply choose suppliers and deliver it. And you can make it a model or keychain or fridge magnet, even keycap. And click here, you can download the printable file. And if you are a Blender master, you can click here, export. And you can download the file directly. And the texture, you choose 8K. Oh my god. And also you got different formats. So no matter if you are a camera 4D player or Blender player, you can all benefit from it. Okay, let's delete this. It's time to cheer up the French team. Let's upload our French girl. And in fact, you can click here to generate multi views if you don't have any. Let's try it out. Oh my god. And you can click here to preview it. That's so cute. And right now, let's choose 8K as well and directly click the create model. Oh my god, this is so sweet. And let's change the style. Oh, that's so cute. And actually, you know what? You can use this in your website, or you can print it out, put it on your desk. Yeah, I never imagined that I can generate it in such a vivid style. I mean, this is not a robot. This is actually a cartoon character, right? And this is so perfect. The details is quite perfect. And you got 8K texture here. And also you can download this model. I highly recommend you download the GLB. This is like very common 3D format. Let's click here, export. Okay, so the last challenge is our Swedish cyborg girl in national team kit. Alright, let's go back and delete this image and click here, upload, find our cyborg girl. Okay, and now make sure you got the maximum values here. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, I saved the best at the last. Wow, oh my god. Wow, check the details. And you can actually see the details when you switch to solid view, right? This is the 8K textures. And I gotta say, the performance is so wow. I never expected to be that good. Imagine I point out this and place it in my desk. People will be envying me, right? So on this 3D World Cup, which team wins? Let me know in the comment section. And in Tripo, this is not the only thing that you can do. Actually, you can do the segment. So you can do AI segmentation. You have three options: simple, balanced, and detailed. And also you got a topology and AI texture. So if you don't like the texture here, you can upload an image and use that image as a texture to make the model in the different looks. And also you can edit the model and you can upscale the model. And also you can do this PBR. Let's click here. Okay, now we done the PBR generation. And also you got this animate tab. Yes, you can even animate the character. Well, to be fair, let's try Smart Mesh as well. Smart Mesh is so crazy because you can generate a perfect 3D model within 2 seconds. It's a super efficiency and it's suitable for gamers, and also if you are a web developers, you want to make a 3D effects for your app or web, try Smart Mesh. Okay, let's go. Let's click here. Make sure you are hovering at the Smart Mesh and upload an image. Alright, let's upload a very complicated image. This is already very complicated, right? And for the topology, you can choose a poly count. So right now it's 5K. And let's make it bigger. And click create model. And let's down count. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, we generated this model in seconds. You know, it's not so perfect like the HD model, but the speed is very satisfying. And you can click here and you can switch between different effects. So this is a solid view by default. Smart Mesh has two features that's really impressive. One is clean topology. Smart Mesh automatically generates clean, well-structured topology with optimized edge flow. And second is game ready. Assets generated with Smart Mesh are lightweight and feature clean. Triangle topology makes them ready for direct import into game engines, such as Unity and Unreal Engine. This is a super good news for game makers, right? Don't forget to give a Smart Mesh a try on Tripo 3D. You will love it.
Hey, check the link in the description and the new user get 500 bonus credits and the Pro is 60% off for the first month. Don't miss out! Hey, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and leave your comment in the comment section, and I will see you on the next one.